ain't started. Let me shut up.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music's so loud, I'm swinging, they hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, trying to 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 catch me riding dirty. They can see me lean, tense so it ain't easy to be seen. When me see me ride by, they can see the gleam. I shine on the deck in the TV screen. Ride with a new chick, she like cola. Next to the PlayStation controller. If a full trip, then I'm gon' show ya. Send a jacker into a coma. Girl, you ain't know I'm crazy like Crazy Bone. Tryna make your money, tryna have no babies. Ride clean as well, so I pull in ladies. Laws on patrol, and you know they hate me. Music turned all the way up into the maximum. I got speakers, some boys try to jack for some, but we packing something that we have for We'll have a player locked up in the maximum security cell. I'm gripping old. Music loud and I'm tipping slow. T steady twisting like hit this small. Police pulling right behind while we sitting low. The windows down, gotta stop pollution. City change boys like who is that producing? That's the plan skills when we out and cruising. Got warrants in every city except Houston, but I still ain't losing. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music's so loud, I'm swinging, they hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, trying to 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 catch me riding dirty.
I've been drinking and smoking, holy cause I really can't focus. I gotta get it home with a popo scope. This big old scourge just swerving all up in the curb and they been sipping on the Hennessy and the gin again, the sin again. We in the wind doing 100 while I puff on the and roll another one up. We living like we ain't doing it. I got a puff in my right hand, 40 ounce in my left, freezing my rolling up the tree, green leaves and all. Coming pretty deep, me and my dog Joe, like a nigga the back streets. Wonder about the 6 pounds and I got hit. Shouts to the block, we creak, pop, hope cops don't see me on the low key. With no regard for the law, we dodge them like them all. But I won't get caught up and brought up on charges for none of y'all. Keep a think car in a this bar. Well, if you want the poppin' dog, ready or not, we butt off in the air, Crazy Bone and Chameleon.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music's so loud, I'm swinging, they hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, trying to 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 catch me riding dirty. What you thinking? So I try to let you go, turn on my blanket light and then I swing it slow. And they upset for sure, cause they think they know that they catching me with plenty of the drinking. So they get behind me, trying to check my tags. Look at my rear view when they smiling, thinking they'll catch me in the wrong and keep trying. Steady denying that it's racial profiling. Houston, Texas, you can check my tags. Pull me over, try to check my slab. Glove compartment, gotta get my cash. Cause the crooked cops try to come up fast. And being the baller that I am, I talk to them, giving it, but I'm not feeling my attitude. When they realize I ain't even riding dirty, but you'll be leaving with it even madder mood. I'ma laugh at you and then I have to cruise. Jamming number 2 on some more DJ screw. You can't arrest me, plus you can't sue. This is a message to the law, tell them we ain't, I can't be touched. So tell them that they should've known. Tip me down, I'm sitting crooked on my chrome. Booking my phone, finding a chick that is alone. Like they couldn't stop me, I'm about to pull up at your home zone. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty.